Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change username on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom, we have five tabs. We have the bottom tab, which is, as you can see, the home tab, where you can go and find and follow people. The search, where you can go and search for, as you can see, people and their posts. Here you can go and post in the middle tab. We have the notifications and your profile in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change username on Mastodon. So to do so, you need to go to the bottom right corner and click on your profile here where I told you. And here, as you can see, you have the edit info button. So you just need to go and click on the edit info button. And here you can go and change everything. So you can click on your name and here you can go, as you can see, change it. I won't be changing the whole name. And then when you, of course, put in the desired name, profile picture, everything that you want to go and change, you can do it here. Then you just need to go and click the save button and the information will be saved. And of course, there will be the new things here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.